Journaling for creatives. As creative people, we often find ourselves itching to translate our overflowing thoughts into something meaningful. Whether you're an artist, writer, or musician, your journal can be your best friend. Journaling provides a space for us to explore our inner thoughts, feelings, and creative ideas without limit. If you're someone who has never journaled before or are looking for ways to incorporate journaling into your routine, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll discuss some easy tips and tricks to help you get started with journaling and discover the hidden gems in your creativity. Find your niche. One thing to consider while starting journaling is to choose a particular theme or subject. Selecting a niche will help you to focus better on your writing. It gives direction to your thoughts and streamlines your writing process. It can be a particular theme like love, relationships, or self-help, or a particular genre like poetry or fiction. Exploring a niche will enhance your creativity and improve your writing skills. Consistency is key. Writing is just like any other activity. It requires practice and discipline. It's essential to be consistent with journaling to gain maximum benefits. You don't have to write every day. You can choose a particular time and day for journaling and stick to it. It can be before bedtime or early morning when you wake up. Whatever time you choose, make sure to incorporate journaling into your daily routine. Set goals. Setting goals is a great way to keep yourself motivated. You can decide how long and how much you want to write each day. You can set a target of writing a certain number of words or pages per day. You can make a checklist of things you want to write about. Once you achieve your writing goals, reward yourself and feel a sense of accomplishment. Experiment with different writing tools. Journaling can be fun when you use different writing tools like pens, colors, and markers. You can experiment with different styles and formats to add more color and life to your journaling. You can try writing in bullet points or using a scrapbook format to make your journal look more vibrant and attractive. Adding photos, quotes, and stickers can also add a personal touch to your journal. Embrace your unique writing style. Lastly, don't compare your writing style to others. Your journal is your personal space. Therefore, your writing should reflect your personality. Don't be afraid of writing what comes naturally to you, irrespective of grammar, vocabulary, or sentence structure. Your writing should be about your thoughts and ideas, not about perfection. Embrace your unique style, and you never know, it might become a signature for your writing. Conclusion. Journaling is a creative and rewarding activity that allows you to connect with your inner self. It can help you to discover hidden thoughts, ideas, and transform your creativity into something meaningful. In this video, we have discussed some tips and tricks to get started with journaling. Remember, journaling is a personal activity, so feel free to experiment and make it your own. Start implementing these tips today and unleash your inner creativity. Happy journaling! Get more out of your journal at www.journalparty.com.